Okay, this is chapter 26, water, electrolyte, and acid-base balance. This is right after the urinary chapter. These are the objectives. The one we're going to talk about today is objective 1, the location of body fluids. There's also word bits that go with this chapter. This is on the Moodle page. I'm just going over this because this is objective 1. Okay, so where are the body fluids in the body? Where are they at? So an adult human is going to have 50% water by weight, roughly. Infants, they're going to have a larger percentage of water in the body. Fat contains very little water. Remember, fat does not like water. It's hydrophobic, right? So if you've got more adipose tissue, you've got less water. So the more obese you are, the less water you would have. So women, adult females, have more body fat, therefore they're going to have less water. So you've got different compartments for fluid, okay? The first one is going to be inside the cells. That's intracellular. 40% of the water is found inside of the cell. Now, 20% of the body's fluid weight is found outside the cell. So that's going to be the extracellular area, fluid outside the cell. Now, plasma would be interstitial fluid. Plasma and interstitial fluid are going to be found outside of the cell. So this is the primary place you're going to find water outside of the cell, in the plasma, which is traveling in the blood, and in the interstitial fluid. So that is ECF, extracellular fluid. Okay. Now, you also have cerebral spinal fluid, you also have lymphatic fluid, and you also have synovial fluid. So that, while that is also extracellular, it's outside of the cell, that's really not going to have a large contribution to the overall body weight, fluid-wise, okay? But it's a minor role, okay? This just kind of shows, again, just a chart representing where different fluids are found. So you've got if you're looking at a male right here, 60% of the fluids found in the body, you've got 2/3 that are going to be found inside the cell. 1/3 is going to be found outside the cell, which is going to include interstitial fluid and plasma. Again, if you wanted to get numbers, if you're a number kind of person and you like looking at all that number stuff, I'm not going to ask you this on the test. This is just showing you volume-wise, specific volumes, if you wanted to know that, where all the fluid is found. So it's just kind of neat. If you've got, for instance, a 70-kilogram man. So if you're starting from that perspective, this is how that would be distributed, that water would be distributed throughout the body. Again, not asking you specifics on that. That was objective 1.